Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. There's many ways to draw something like this, but I learned something today that I never knew you could actually do, because you could go back and forth on tools and change tools and get the same effect. So I'm going to draw a polygon. Doesn't matter how many points you start with. I'm going to hold down the control button so it's in the center or perfect. And then I'm going to put P to put it in the center. I'm going to add a node about halfway, and then I'm going to bring it in and get this. Okay, I'm not in the polygon mode anymore, but I can go to the polygon and I can change the size or the number of points or the number of legs. And then I can go to the distort tool. And this is a little bit tricky. Use the center twister distortion. Instead of trying to do it by hand, because you might get off the circle, you can do it by numbers. So we could go back and I could go right here, which is the additional degrees, let's say of 50 degrees. So that's pretty cool. But you can go back to the polygon tool and add more sides and have 25 different ones. And you're still in polygon mode. So now you can change it and go like right here. Well, maybe not. Maybe you cannot. Because it's in that, yeah, you can't change it because it's in that we've distorted it. But you can still go back and forth and add more sides. Let me see now, I need to click on it and then I can add, let's go 50. I mean, look at that. Now I could possibly go back to the distort tool and go 75 and twist it more. That's pretty cool. And then with something like this, you can always take your smart fill tool and let's use a different color this time. That blue, and smart fill this, and you make a whole new item. Now the center is kind of solid because you're basically solid. But see, now we created a new item. I actually like that blue. And, you know, as always, put a black box around it and look what it looks like. And you can still go further there, grab it, grab the interactive fill tool and just swipe across and then go up here and go elliptical. And that looks pretty cool within itself, but you could do elliptical and move this to the center and bring this blue out, and we could put black in the middle. Might be overpowering, and it is. So maybe we could leave that blue. Let's put it blue here. So just like any other interactive fill tool, you could bring in a black and get a completely different look. Anyway, I hope that gave you some ideas, and thank you for watching.